The schematics show this connection point here.
All right, I see it. Make sure the torque is set correctly before we proceed.
Check the alignment on section 4, near the starboard intake.
Reading green, tolerance is good. Ensure the torque is calibrated correctly on this section. The survivability rating depends on it.
Seal integrity confirmed. Recording results now.
Roger that. Beginning depressurization.
The airframe is complete. We can start the systems installation on Monday.
Roger that. Make sure the cargo bay is clear.
Control, this is Bay 4. Blade 72 cleared for transport to assembly.
There's a subsurface anomaly at the leading edge. Did the ultrasonic confirm the void?
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Steady now, lowering 10 millimeters.
We have alignment, locking it in place.
Monitor the torque readings closely here.
I see the fluctuation, but the pressure holds steady. Looks good for sign-off.
Steady now, watch the gauge.
Reaching target torque, it's locked.
Verified. Move to the next one.
Alignment steady. Lowering to seat. Roger. Locking mechanisms engaged. Good contact.
All parameters within tolerance. System verification complete.
The alignment on the rear rotor is perfect. We just need final sign-off before the test run.
Missile seated and locked. Connecting the umbilical now.
Secure. Check's complete. Fins are good.
Alignment is good on the starboard side. Lock it down.
Roger that.
Engaging the clamps now.
Everything checked out perfectly. The vibration dampening is significantly improved.
Good to hear, ma'am. I'll log that now.